Hello student, this is the question GATE 2007 2 mark. What is the question? A single processor system has 3 resources X, Y and Z which are shared by 3 processes. There are 5 units of each processes in the beginning, and consider the following scenario where the column allocation denote the number of unit of each resource type allocate to each process. Getting my point? Number of unit of each resource type means X type is allocate 1, Y type is 2, Z type is 1, and column request denote the number of unit of each resource type requested by the process in order to complete execution. Means this is nothing, this is my need matrix. This is my need matrix is given and this is my allocation matrix is given, and he is asking about which of the process will finish in last. First we have to calculate the available resource. What is the available resource? Most of the students say sir available is 555 and will do the mistake. Getting my point? But available is allocate already 5, 4 and 3. So the available is 0, 1 and 2. X type of resource 0, Y type of resource 1 and Z type of resource 2. So with these available resource, which process has to be satisfied first? First we satisfy the P1 because P1 need matrix is 0, 1, 2. Then after finish the P1 it will add 2, 0, 1, we are getting 3, 1 and 2. Then we can execute P2? No. Why? Because P2 required 2 resource of Y type, but we have 1 resource of Y type. Either we execute P0, yes, X1 we have 2, 0 we have 1 and 3 we have 3. Then you can allocate the P0. After finishing the P0, P0 will also release, that is P1. Then P0 will also give the release the resource 1, 2, 1, 4, 3, 3. Then you can satisfy the P2. So he is asking about the key system is in safe state, then which of the process will finish in last. So P2 is finish in last. Here you can see because allocation is given and need matrix is given. The available is 0, 1, 2. From 0, 1, 2 first we satisfy the P1. After the P1 you can satisfy the P0 because P1 is satisfied. Then 0, 1, 2 में अपन अवेलेबल रिसोर्स रिलीज हो जाएंगे. तो 0, 0, 0 के बाद अवेलेबल रिसोर्स रिलीज करने के बाद 0, 1, 2 के बाद 2, 0, 1 वी आर गेटिंग 3, 1, 2. तो वी सेटिस्फाई 3, 1, 2, 2, 1, 3. तो वी कैन नॉट सेटिस्फाई दिस वन बट वी कैन सेटिस्फाई दिस रिक्वेस्ट ऑल्सो 1, 0, 3. So we execute P0, then 1, 2, 1, 4, 3, 3. Then you can satisfy P2. Getting my point? So he is asking about which of the process will finish in last. P2 will finish in last. P2 will finish in last. That is the answer. Getting my point? Thank you.
If you really like the video, please hit the like button, share the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.